Have you ever wondered how to combine two of Halloween's most iconic symbols into one unforgettable pumpkin design? Looking for pumpkin carving ideas inspired by flying bats, giant spiders, spooky webs, moonlit skies, haunted forests, creepy silhouettes, and dramatic Halloween scenes? Curious how simple carving patterns can create striking pumpkin displays that look incredible both during the day and after dark? And wondering how to transform ordinary pumpkins into spooky masterpieces that perfectly capture the spirit of Halloween? Stay with us, because today we're exploring bat and spider pumpkin carving ideas for spooky, creative, and eye-catching Halloween displays. Why are bats and spiders popular pumpkin carving themes? Bats and spiders are among Halloween's most iconic symbols, making them a natural choice for seasonal pumpkin decorating. They instantly create a spooky atmosphere and fit beautifully into both traditional and modern Halloween displays. Their distinctive shapes are easy to recognize, whether carved as simple silhouettes or detailed artistic scenes. Bats add mystery and movement, while spiders introduce texture and dramatic visual interest. Together, they capture the eerie spirit of Halloween perfectly. What makes bat silhouettes so effective on pumpkins? Bat silhouettes are incredibly effective because they are bold, simple, and instantly recognizable. Even beginner carvers can create impressive designs using basic bat shapes. When illuminated from inside, the dark silhouettes create dramatic shadow effects that enhance the Halloween atmosphere. Bats can be carved individually or arranged in swarms to create movement across the pumpkin surface. Their elegant wing shapes also work well in both spooky and sophisticated displays. If you love Halloween decorating ideas, like this video and share it with someone planning a pumpkin carving night. What are the easiest bat pumpkin carving designs? Single flying bat silhouettes are one of the easiest and most striking pumpkin designs for beginners. Simple moon-end bat scenes require minimal cutting while still creating impressive results. A series of small bats flying across the pumpkin can also create beautiful visual movement. Large bat outlines with open wings offer another beginner-friendly option. These simple designs look especially dramatic when displayed with soft candlelight or LED illumination. How can multiple bats create a dramatic pumpkin display? Using multiple bats allows you to create a dynamic Halloween scene full of movement and storytelling. Arrange bats at different sizes to create the illusion that some are flying closer while others disappear into the distance. Carving bats in various directions also adds realism and visual excitement. You can extend the theme across several pumpkins to create an entire swarm. Grouped together, these pumpkins make a stunning centerpiece for porches, pathways, or entryways. Tell us in the comments your favorite Halloween pumpkin carving theme. What spider pumpkin carving ideas create the biggest impact? Large spider silhouettes paired with intricate web designs often create the most dramatic pumpkin displays. Oversized spiders positioned across the entire pumpkin surface instantly draw attention. Realistic spiders with detailed legs and textured bodies add an extra layer of creepiness. Some decorators also carve glowing spider eyes to create an eerie nighttime effect. Combining several spiders with web patterns creates a truly unforgettable Halloween centerpiece. How can spider webs enhance pumpkin carvings? Spider webs add texture, complexity, and visual depth to pumpkin designs. Even a simple web pattern can transform an ordinary pumpkin into a sophisticated Halloween decoration. Webs work beautifully as background elements, framing spiders, bats, or haunted scenes. Intricate web details become especially striking when illuminated from inside the pumpkin. Whether realistic or stylized, web carvings instantly elevate the overall appearance of the design. For more Halloween decor ideas, check out our full playlist in the description below. How can bats and spiders be combined on a single pumpkin? Combining bats and spiders allows you to create a complete Halloween story on one pumpkin. Flying bats can occupy the upper portion of the design, while spiders and webs fill the lower sections. Adding details such as full moons, twisted trees, or graveyard silhouettes helps tie the scene together. This layered approach creates a balanced composition with plenty of visual interest. The result is a pumpkin that captures multiple classic Halloween themes in a single display. What lighting works best for bat and spider pumpkins? Lighting plays a major role in bringing carved pumpkins to life after dark. Warm LED lights create a classic jack-o'-lantern glow while highlighting carved details. Flickering flameless candles add movement and atmosphere without the concerns of open flames. Colored lights, especially purple, green, and orange, can create unique Halloween effects. Strategic lighting also helps emphasize silhouettes, shadows, and intricate web patterns. Subscribe for more Halloween styling and seasonal decorating ideas. How can moon-themed carvings complement bat pumpkins? Moon designs provide the perfect backdrop for flying bat carvings. A bright full moon instantly creates a nighttime setting and adds dramatic contrast. Crescent moons, stars, and drifting clouds further enhance the spooky atmosphere. Moon scenes also allow carvers to experiment with layered carving techniques and shading effects. Together, bats and moons create timeless Halloween imagery that never goes out of style. What advanced carving techniques improve bat and spider designs? Advanced techniques such as layered carving and depth shading can significantly improve the realism of bat and spider pumpkins. Instead of cutting completely through the pumpkin, carvers can remove varying depths of pumpkin flesh to create dimension. This technique adds shadows, textures, and subtle details that make designs appear more lifelike. Fine carving tools can also be used to create intricate web strands and realistic wing textures. Strategic lighting further enhances these professional-looking effects. Love these bat and spider pumpkin carving ideas. Find similar decor items linked in the description below. How can multiple pumpkins create a larger Halloween display? Multiple pumpkins allow decorators to build an immersive Halloween scene rather than relying on a single design. One pumpkin might feature bats, another detailed spider webs, and others could showcase haunted houses or moonlit landscapes. Arranging pumpkins of different sizes creates additional depth and visual interest. Group displays work especially well along pathways, porches, or front steps. Coordinated lighting helps unify the entire arrangement into one spectacular display. What no-carve bat and spider pumpkin ideas are popular? No-carve pumpkins offer a safe and long-lasting alternative to traditional carving. Painted bat silhouettes, vinyl decals, and stencil designs remain some of the most popular options. Crafters often add glitter, metallic paints, or dimensional embellishments for extra personality. Decorative spiders, plastic webs, and craft accessories can also transform plain pumpkins into eye-catching creations. These projects are ideal for families with young children or anyone looking for mess-free decorating. Explore more Halloween inspiration in our recommended videos listed in the description. How can children participate in bat and spider pumpkin decorating? Children can safely participate by painting pumpkins, applying stickers, or decorating no-carve designs. Bat and spider templates make it easy for younger children to create recognizable Halloween artwork. Kids often enjoy adding googly eyes, glitter, foam shapes, or colorful embellishments. Family pumpkin decorating sessions are also a wonderful way to celebrate the season together. Adults can handle the carving while children contribute creative finishing touches. What small details make the biggest impact? Small details often make the difference between an ordinary pumpkin and an extraordinary one. Fine web strands, carefully carved bat wings, glowing spider eyes, and subtle shading add depth and realism. Layered silhouettes create visual interest while thoughtful spacing improves overall composition. Strategic lighting can dramatically enhance even the simplest design. Paying attention to these finishing touches instantly elevates the final display. If you enjoy spooky decorating ideas, make sure to subscribe for weekly inspiration. How can you create impressive bat and spider pumpkins on a budget? Creating impressive Halloween pumpkins does not require expensive supplies. Affordable pumpkins, printable stencils, and basic carving kits are often all you need. DIY templates found online provide endless design inspiration at little or no cost. Inexpensive LED lights can dramatically improve the finished display while keeping it safe. With creativity, thoughtful planning, and a little imagination, budget-friendly pumpkins can look just as impressive as elaborate professional designs. Bat and spider pumpkin carving is a wonderful way to celebrate two of Halloween's most iconic symbols. By combining dramatic silhouettes, intricate web designs, atmospheric lighting, and creative carving techniques, you can transform ordinary pumpkins into unforgettable seasonal centerpieces. Whether you prefer simple, beginner-friendly projects or detailed artistic creations, these designs offer endless possibilities for Halloween decorating. From spooky porches to haunted pathways, bat and spider pumpkins instantly enhance any seasonal display. Most importantly, they capture the mystery, magic, and excitement that make Halloween such a beloved celebration. If you enjoyed these bat and spider pumpkin carving ideas, like this video and share it with friends preparing for Halloween. Tell us your favorite bat or spider pumpkin design in the comments below. Explore our Halloween Decor playlist in the description for more inspiration. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more Halloween styling and seasonal decoration ideas every week. Looking for more inspiration? Check out similar videos linked in the description. Find decor items featured in this video through the links provided in the description.